Hi guys, I am back after some time with a sketching challenge. I am gonna sketch for 28 days with different topics, so I am here today with a basic introduction to sketching pencils. Hope you watch the video until the end. So basically there are two types of grading pencils, H and B. H gives lighter shade and B gives darker shade. I just have bought a new set of sketching pencil brands of Faber-Castell. Compared to the old set of pencils, this new one air smooth and amazing, they just blend perfectly. I have sketched the different pencils to show it how different it looks on paper. Pencils with I have used today are 2H, 2B, 3B, 4B, 5B, 6B, 8B. Here I have used two different 4B pencils. Here 4B pencils serve as a common sketching pencil for me. I don't know about others, but I just use it in this way. I am gonna reveal a secret today. I have just secretly taken my mom's makeup brushes for blending. Let me tell you guys, these brushes are so smooth, soft and good to go compared to painting brushes. Then just go sneak into your mom's room to slowly take her makeup brushes from her makeup box. Don't forget to give an explanation to your mom for using her treasured brushes. Coming back to the topic, let's complete this process, and I am gonna soon upload a sketch on different shapes, so just press the bell icon for next update, and don't forget like and share my video and subscribe to my channel for next video. CYAA.